all well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video we have something so incredibly exciting. I wasn't too sure whether we were going to get sent some of this collection, and honestly when I saw this box turn up on my doorstep I internally screamed. I'm so excited, and obviously we are going to be unboxing and reviewing some of the brand new Lush Wicked collaboration. Not only is this box absolutely beautiful, I love the attention to detail, but also the products in this range are just perfection, and I cannot wait to see what we have inside this box. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Okay, so opening up the box, I feel like I was going to try and do this really aesthetically on camera, but didn't want to work, so we're going to try a different way. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. I'm dropping it everywhere. I am so excited about this collection. It smells incredible. Wow, that kind of smells like gel pens. I know that's weird. You're right, Charlie? I have a special guest here with me today, by the way. Charlie, hey, do you want to say hi to everybody? One moment. So this is Charlie. He's a handsome little young man, aren't you, Charlie? He's going to be unboxing my Lush parcel with me today, aren't you? Hi, everybody. Okay, he's like, I'm done now, Mel. You can put me down. Okay. Anyway, let's dive into the range. I can't wait. Okay, so the first thing we have in the box, oh, do you know what? I have obviously seen a lot of these online, but seeing these in person, they are beautiful. So the first thing we have is this. I am just absolutely shocked at how beautiful this is. So this is Glinda's Wand Bubble Wand, and it says fluffy bubbles rise in the bath like magic with a swish of this sweetly scented wand. And ingredients wise in this one, we've got cream of tartar, we also have sweet wild orange oil, rose oil, vanilla absolute. It smells delish. Oh, that is beautiful. I can't even describe it other than sweet, sour, fruity, really mouth-watering. That is the best way I can describe it. Oh, that is so, wait. It kind of reminds me of when we had that Ladybird bubble bar, but a little bit different. Maybe it's a similar smell. It kind of smells like the Ladybird bubble bar mixed with those sweets you used to get that were like candy sticks. It smells like that. But this is beautiful. Again, this is what she looks like. Absolutely stunning. Honestly, I just can't wait to use it. I just put that on my nose. Okay, the next item we have got in the box is, I'm going to go for this one, which I am so excited to smell. So this is the Green Shower Elixir, which is the shower gel of the range. It's absolutely beautiful. And again, I just can't wait to see what this one smells like. So on the sheet it says, a pinch of willow herb decoction, a dash of Brazilian orange oil, and a touch of benzoin resinoid create an elixir so enchanting it will have the whole of Oz ready to go green. I give up. This is what it looks like. It's the most beautiful green shower gel, kind of see-through almost, which I really like. So I love the look of this one. Let's give it a smell. Oh, actually, before we do that, let's go through the ingredients. So this one has willow herb decoction. It also has Litsi oil, Brazilian orange oil, and benzoin resinoid. Let's give it a smell and see what we think. Oh, this one reminds me of that shower jelly we had called Iced Wine a really long time ago. It's a very similar smell, like it smells kind of juicy almost. Yeah, that's really good. Charlie, do you want to smell this? He's like, no, I'm not bothered. Yeah, that smells absolutely incredible. I love the smell of that. So yeah, that is the shower gel of the range. Also, again, I just love to point out the labels. The attention to detail simply on the labels is incredible. I'm so excited about it, and I love Wicked, so I'm eternally screaming, honestly. Okay, so the next item we just have to do now because I cannot wait to smell this any longer. So this is the Elphaba's Hat Bath Bomb. This one says, make your own magic in the bath with this iconic hat that has an amazifying transformation revealing green foam and sparkling luster. And it smells like Lord of Misrule. I love Lord of Misrule. If you guys didn't know, Lord of Misrule is a Halloween fragrance. It's come out for years on Halloween. This year there was no Lord of Misrule bath bomb. I don't know what happened, but Lush decided to break my heart. So they have made this Lord of Misrule scented, and it smells incredible. If you guys have never smelt Lord of Misrule before, it's black pepper, patchouli, vanilla. It is so good. I absolutely love it. So I'm so excited to try this one. Ingredients wise, we have got patchouli oil, black pepper oil, vanilla absolute. We've also got cornstarch. That's it. But honestly, this one to me just smells like autumn. It is such a beautiful scent. I am going to put it down because my fingers are turning black, but I am really excited to give that one a try. Also, I'm excited to try a bath bomb in one of my favourite scents without it looking like the kind of usual way it looks, which is really exciting. So I can't wait to try that one. I'm very excited. Okay, so sticking with bath bombs, we have this one, which honestly, I am terrified to use. It is the most sparkly bath bomb I think I've ever seen. It looks so much more kind of packed in there than any one I've ever seen before. This is the Wizard bath bomb, and it says, "It's not all as it seems. Under that glistening bronze, a cunning green geranium scented core packs a bath full of secrets. Drop into the water and unravel layers of herbal scented mystery." Ingredients wise in this one, we have got things like geranium oil, oak moss. See, oak moss absolute is not my favourite kind of vibe. I don't really enjoy earthy, woodsy, mossy sort of smells, and oak moss is kind of a wet, mossy sort of smell, so I don't know if we're going to like this one. But we also have thyme absolute, petitgrain oil. I'm going to give it a smell and see what I think. So actually, it's not as bad as I thought. It is very earthy, very green, very woodsy. But actually, it's not as invasive as some of the other kind of mossy green kind of smells that Lush have done before. So I'm not mad about it. It's not bad. I actually, dare I say, quite like it. And in terms of the glitter payoff on the skin, please excuse the black on my fingers, but it's actually not as awful as I thought. I thought it was going to be similar to like the golden egg where you touch it once and your hand is covered, but it's actually not. So I'm really impressed about that one. And the next item is another bath bomb, and this is the pink Fizz is Good with Green, and it says, "This bath bomb is going to be so popular. Creamy florals swell through rich notes of cedarwood, absolute and vanilla." And ingredients wise, it has got coarse sea salt, orris oil, rose oil, almond essential oil. We also have sesame seed absolute, we have cedarwood absolute, we also have vanilla absolute. So let's give it a smell. Ooh, that is very different to how I thought it was going to smell. It's sweet, it's gentle, it's light, it's not overly invasive at all, but it has got layers. I'm salivating actually. Wait, I feel like it's a really familiar fragrance, but I feel like I'm also smelling so many smells in this bath bomb. I thought I smelled the Experimenter and also like Roundtree's Fruit Pastel Ice Lollies. Like, I'm smelling a lot of smells. Floral, creamy, fruity. It's good. Wow, this smell is really good. I'm literally gonna dribble in a minute. It is so good. Honestly, I think this one could be my favourite so far in terms of scent, but obviously minusing the Lord of Misrule because that one is my favourite. But this one is a really unique individual kind of smell, and I absolutely love it. I've never really smelled anything like it, and it smells really, really good. Anyway, I'm just inhaling that. That is so delish. And last but definitely not least is one of the soaps for this range, and that is the Emerald City soap. Can we just talk about the level of detail in this mould? It's absolutely beautiful. One of my friends said she's going to keep one as a display piece, and honestly, I don't blame her. It's absolutely just stunning. In terms of what it says on the card, so this one says, "Lather for a soapy day in the Emerald City. It's all grand and it's all green with rich cinnamon, zesty lime and spells of labdanum creating suds that defy gravity." And ingredients wise in this one, we have coconut oil, we've got lemon juice, coconut oil, lime oil, cinnamon leaf oil. I'm smelling, that smells incredible. That smells like Coca-Cola. I feel like Lush have never had like a Coca-Cola scented item. I might be wrong, but I cannot think of anything on the top of my head that smelled like cola bottles before. But this, oh my goodness, it's limey, it's Coca-Cola-y. That is incredible. Honestly, I have never smelled a soap so incredible. The one thing with this I will say is that I feel like it is going to be a little bit difficult to use because of the shape of it. Like, it feels quite rough and bumpy, but I mean, the look of it is unmatched, isn't it? Like, imagine that in the bathroom. I'm going to put that on our sink and Ryan's going to be like, "What is that? That smells delish." Wow. Out of everything, these two have been, I think, my favourite in terms of like new smells. because that is so delectable. Like, that smells how Glinda looks. Does that make sense? Like, she's all sweet and like pink and fluffy, and that's what this smells like. But not like Snow Fairy. It's a completely different smell. But this, oh, I feel like I'm just inhaling it. But again, have a little look at that. I cannot explain how beautiful this is. Incredible. Incredible. So that is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. Thank you so much, Lush, for sending me this PR parcel. Honestly, it absolutely means the world, and I just honestly can't believe it. Every single time a parcel turns up at my doorstep, I just feel so lucky. So thank you guys so incredibly much. And also, if you guys haven't seen, I do now have an affiliate link with Lush, which is linked in the description. If you guys want to go and check out any of these products, I will leave that link down below. And yeah, that's everything for today's video. I love you guys so incredibly much. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, join our corner of the internet, and yeah, I love you so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.